Hi, this is GBPJPY. We are looking at the H4 time frame. Today it's Sunday, 15th of December 2013, and we are just before the market's opening for the new trading week. Let's go to the to see the bigger picture of the pair, but before we do that, let's see which are the tools we are using. I'm using Ichimoku Kumho here. You see the Kumho here. I'm using Bollinger bands. I'm using fractals and stochastics. Biases are bullish. Everything looks bullish. Let's go and confirm it on the higher time frames. On a monthly chart, we see that the pair is moving upwards. It will take some time before it makes a bullish Kumho breakout on the big time frame. But definitely the biases are strongly bullish here. On the weekly time frame, we see that the edge of the leading Kumho is very sharp, pointing upwards. Bullish momentum is increasing. There is a definite upward slope for the Kumho. The median Bollinger band is going upwards, it's sloping upwards. The price is moving on the upper Bollinger band for weeks, for many weeks, so everything looks bullish. Although on stochastics we see that the stochastics are moving inside the overbought zone, and they are slightly curved downwards. There is still some distance for them to meet the 80 level line. So even if there is a minor corrective move, it will not change the strength of the bullish move, of the bullish mood of the pair. So let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we see that the correction the pair wanted to make has already been made in terms of stochastics. The pair made a downward move, but it looks like it wants to continue upwards, even though it didn't touch the median Bollinger band yet. The upper and lower Bollinger band are getting closer to each other. Maybe we will have a consolidation phase for a while. We will see a contraction of the Bollinger bands for a while. It may happen the next days for this trading week, but definitely the biases are bullish. Let's go to the H4 time frame. On the H4 time frame, we see that although we had a correction a couple of days ago, and again a correction the past week, at the ending of the past week, now the pair wants to go up again, and we see that the stochastics went down. They even moved a bit below the 20 level line, and now they are curved, slightly curved upwards. And if we go to the H1 time frame, we'll see that the correction is almost over. The pair wants to go up. It remains to be seen if it will reach the median Bollinger band with ease, how long it will stay there before it continues upward, unless it makes another downward move before it continues upwards. Let's go to the M30. On the M30 time frame, we see that the pair wants to move up. On M15 time frame, we see that there is a contraction here on the Bollinger bands, and the leading Kumho is a flat top belly down Kumho, which is a bullish reversal formation. In the contraction, and there is consolidation, and we know that in consolidation dynamic energy is being accumulated, which means that we should expect an expansion, a strong breakout after that, and it looks like the expansion will be upwards. Okay, we see the stochastics telling us this on M15. This happened already on M5. On M5 we see that we had a strong bullish Kumho breakout, and see how sharp is the edge of the leading Kumho pointing upwards. You can cut your finger on it. Remember that this is a very important criterion for a breakout, and the 5 minutes time frame and the Kumho breakout on the 5 minutes time frame, I have observed that it tends to be a very solid criterion, which shows that a correction is over and the pair is resuming its main trend, which in this case is an uptrend. And on M1 we see a very strong upward move. Okay, so back to H4. There may be the markets may open with a small gap. Regardless of that, you may want to wait for a couple of hours after the markets open to make sure that the move is upwards, is going upwards. If you see everything looking bullish, you can enter long, you can buy at 168.22 or a bit lower. You can place your stop loss about 150 pips away from your entry at 166.73. Take profit target. The first take profit target, because it's going to be a very big move upwards, the first take profit target should be placed close to the upper Bollinger Band on H4 time frame, or a bit lower than that. So if we go from 168.22 to 169.54, we have 130 pips, something. That's a very nice profit, and even if it is less than 130, it's around 100, still it's a very nice profit, and it looks like it will be reached relatively fast, but you never know. The market is an ocean, and any kind of fluctuations can be seen or can be expected. So if things go as they seem to go, then we should expect a nice profit potential from this trade. So you can monitor the trade from the H4 time frame. If you are more conservative, once you are in profits and the pair starts moving upwards, switch to M15 time frame, and if you see there a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku Kinko-hyo, which we see here on the H4 time frame happening, when you see this picture on M15 confirmed by this picture on stochastics being curved, stochastics going down after they were on the overbought zone and cross below 80 level line, if you see stochastics confirming the bearish cross of the price with Tenkan-sen on M15, you exit, save your profits, wait for that corrective move to finish, and when the conditions are reversed, when you see a bullish candlestick crossing above and closing above Tenkan-sen on M15 and stochastics confirming that price goes up, you enter again and continue the ride. Okay, so you can take your profits gradually and step by step. For every small correction you can jump out, saving your profits, waiting for the correction, and then enter again when price resumes its main trend, which is an uptrend. Thanks for watching and happy pips.